Okay guys, for today's video, very quick lang naman to just to share this update that will be implemented this March 1 of 2025. And this is in regards to GoTime. So samahan niyo ako pag-usapan natin itong changes na to, the unexpected changes. So sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so sinabi ko nga na unexpected changes to. Change lang pala. So diba last year, nagbabare ng interest rate si GoTime sa kanyang savings account na bumaba ng 4%. So, kahit papano malaki pa rin naman ang 4%, kaya medyo okay pa rin naman mag-bank with GoTime. Dahil daw sa na-reach na ang 5 million customer ni GoTime, i-increase nila for promotion lang naman ang interest rate to 5% for the month of January and February. So, kala natin smooth sailing, and then come March 1, just few days or few weeks bago mag-March 1, nag-announce na sila na ilo-lower nila ang interest rate ulit ng savings nila from 4% to 3.5%. All the while, kala ko magi-stick na sa 4% ang interest rate after ng 5% na promotional interest. Basahin natin yung announcement ni GoTime. An update on interest rates effective March 1, 2025, GoSave's interest rate will be set to 3.5%. For USD naman, USD time deposit, the rates will be 2% per annum for 3-month terms and 2.5% per annum for 6 months terms. So pati yun, from 5% bumaba din. This adjustment aligns with the current economic expectation and reaffirms our commitment to offering you more sustainable and competitive products. At GoTime, we're dedicated to continuously giving you beautiful banking experience. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinasabi nilang expectation, but I would understand kung ang sasabihin nila is we are aligning sa market standard or whatever. Yung sinabing expectation, bakit? Ang karamihan na ine-expect ng mga tao is mataas ang interest. Bakit hindi ganun? Di ba? One of the reason kung bakit tayo nag-bank dyan with GoTime before is mataas ang interest. Now, with these changes, hindi lang naman si GoTime, marami ng banks dyan na nagbababa ng interest rate. Parang pinapakita na kailangan mag-shift na rin ang mga customer na hindi na ganun ka-priority ang interest rate. So, banks are now looking at showcasing more the benefits na kung doon kayo magbabank sa kanila. For example na lang, sa akin, si Cbank, kahit 4% na lang ang interest rate, nag-stick pa rin ako kay Cbank dahil sa mga free bank transfer. So, ganun din naman with GoTime. Meron maapektuhan na tao. Possible dyan na yung mga nag-choose ng GoTime, they're choosing convenience or whatever, or maybe from their PayPal account, nililipat nila sa GoTime, di ba? We cannot really tell na
my bank is better than your bank. So, lumipat ka na.
No, kung saan comfortable ang mga tao, dun nila syempre gustong mag-bank. Yeah, so basically, that's it for this video. Hindi na natin kailangang pahabain pa because it's really just an update. I'm just looking forward right now kay GoTime para sa mga loan products na i-release daw nila this year. Well, sinabi lang nila yan last year. Pero this year daw. So, for our question of the day, sa tingin nyo ba, darating kayo sa point wherein ang pipiliin nyo na lang ay mag-traditional bank versus sa mga digital and online bank? At bakit? So, let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Fred Nel Vlog. Sabi niya, shoutout po Sir Idol. At Fred Nel Vlog, shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos at ng aking channel. Thank you so much. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you can subscribe para receive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. Bye-bye!